Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll tell you how to make an inch to centimeter converter app in Google App Inventor. Sorry, MIT's App Inventor. Firstly, go to your projects, click on add new, name it anything like Pro first project. Open it, make a simple label. This will this will ask this will set centimeter inches in short. Okay, inches. Then add a add a text box. In that, user can enter something. Then another label which will display which will okay, just to centimeters, cm for short, and another label which will give the result. You enter here inches, then it will show the result. For just now, you just said click convert. Okay, now when somebody will put something here in numbers, the cm, the centimeters, this text click convert will automatically display the result. Now you have to open the blocks editor. Click on open blocks editor. Make sure that you have Java development kit. It will take some time. Okay, since it's loading, we can just make its interface better. So let me show you my previous project that I have made. Here is my previous project that on the same topic, but this one looks much better from this one. So let me describe you what I have done here. Here I have used a horizontal arrangement which can display some two or more things in same line. As you can see here, we have it vertically inches and the text box, and here we have horizontally. So for this you have to go to screen arrangements, horizontal arrangement, and drag it on the screen, then put the text and then the text box. Okay, here now it's looking much better. Do same for centimeters. Drag the text and the other text. It's better that we should add a is equal to sign and a space here. Okay, now the blocks editor is open, but let's first complete this. Good, we have convert. Okay, and one more thing that you can do is when go to the screen one, and then you can choose your own background. I just upload something that looks good, something like grass or anything you like, anything you want. Okay, I uploaded a grass wallpaper. Okay, let's come to this. Here is the block editor. Okay, here is the block editor. Okay, firstly we have to go to my blocks, then button one. Okay, this just drag it on the main screen. I mean this area. Then when you click the button one, what it will do is it will change the it will take here is the background. Here is background. It's looking good. Okay, it will take the text box one text. Okay, text box one. Here is it. Text box one dot text. Then what it will do? Okay, leave it. Take it to the other side. We'll go to built-in, math, and multiply. Okay. Then again go to my blocks, text box 1, text box 1 dot text, and drag it over here. Okay, now sorry, it cannot be dragged there. So text box 1. Okay, here is click convert. Okay, sorry, it is label free dot text, text box 1 dot text multiplied by a number. So you click here on math, click 1 2 3 into the number. Okay, the conversion is 1 centimeter is 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. You just go to Google, search for inches to centimeters. Here is it. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. Okay, do same for this. 1 2 3. Change the 1 2 3 into 2.54. Now it's ready to go. Text box 1 dot text is extra, so it just dump it. Now I think it's ready. When you click the button one, it will change the text box label 3 dot text to text box 1 dot text multiplied by number 5.2.54. Click on new emulator to make a emulator device, make a virtual device. Some of persons may have problem in this because you don't have installed the Android app inventor setup. So to get this, go to Google, search for app inventor setup. Okay, go to app inventor for Android setup. Here it is. You can go to the bottom and click on instruction for Windows or your which OS you use. Click on download the installer. I have put in the link below, so you can just go to the link and get the installer, so you'll get the emulator. It's pretty cool. You can now click on connect to device, emulator 544. 554, sorry, it can be different on your computer, it doesn't matter. Okay, one more thing you can do that, go to screen 1 and change the icon. Icon is just simple what just displays in the launcher, Android launchers. I mean in the default launcher too, you can see an icon of the app. And one more thing is, you can change the screen orientation to sensor. It will detect the sensor. Change the text above I to C for short, and where it is, you can change the align horizontal to center. Now it'll look more better. Here is it, inches. Here is, you can enter the inches. Let me try. For example, I want to convert 15 inches to centimeter. I click convert, and here it is. Centimeter is equal to 3.81. Okay, one more question you may ask is how you converted the button to an image. This is very simple. Click on the button, and here you'll see an option of image. You can just browse an image on your computer, and the image will act as an button. So that's all in this tutorial. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more, and bye.